Yes, Vium does have integration with Google Cloud Platform GCP. This integration allows users to store their backup on Google storage, which is Google's cloud storage service. With Viome integration with GCP, users cannot take advantage of the scalability, durability, and co-effectiveness of infrastructure for their cloud backup need. Vium support Google Cloud Platform GCP as a cloud backup provider. With Vium integration with GCP, customers have the option to their backups on Google Cloud storage. This allows secure and reliable storage of backup data in the Google Cloud. Environment. Vium's integration with GCP enables seamless backups and restore, giving users flexibility to leverage the benefits of the Google Cloud for their data protection needs.